step by step, an easy way to learn English. Read this text. My parents like to travel every year. When I was a young boy, I liked to travel with them every time they wanted to visit a new country. Now that I am very busy and I can't go out a lot, I only travel with them if I don't have too many things to take care of. Sometimes they go by plane, sometimes by boat. Traveling by boat is really fun, but it takes a long time to arrive where we want to go. When we go by plane, it is faster and we have the chance to spend more time in the country we are visiting. We have seen many places, but we find home the most beautiful one.